Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god. I didn't realize how much water got trapped up in here. Holy shit. Needs like a rag. Fuck. Damn, that thing soaked my whole engine. That's wicked. Well, anyways, how we doing today? So, we just got some minor things that we're gonna be fixing, working up on. So we got this little fix-a-thread thing, whatever, Helicoil, Helicoil, whatever you want to call that shit. Pretty much my alternator. I noticed when I rev up the engine, it sounded like I have like raw knock almost. I look here and my bolt fell out, and I can't put a bolt in there, so I kind of have my boy, you know, get this fucking do this for the time being. But I'm gonna try to put a heel coil for this bolt in there, fix the thread because it got messed up, and then all right, cool. Oh, buddy. See this thing just bent right out. There ain't no thread up in there. Oh, God. Surprised that thing even made it through there. What the hell? It's like the belt was like holding it in. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna take, oh, that thing's chewed up. I'm gonna just take this off, take the belt off. So instead of dealing with these bolts, they're just a pain. They're just a pain in the ass to get out. I'm just gonna take this straight off here and then get to working on that hole right there. There we go. Here's our alternator. This is obviously the AC power steering delete kit. That's why I got it all mounted up right here. But yeah, this bolt literally just won't come out unless I take that bracket off, which is fine, because I do not want to take that shit out. And there's our sweet hole. So just tap and die, install that, and then just put the bolt in. Seems pretty easy. So pretty much this just acts like a little guide for the bolt, and then I'll just go right over it until it bottoms out, and then this thing will just like pop off once it goes in there. Well, that's cool, because yeah, this thing is a lot bigger than this hole, but once I get it in there and thread it all the way down, then I'll just be able to put this thing in there, then the bolt will just go in. So I'm pretty much just gonna use the Helicoil for like the first part, and then try to use the rest of the threads for the rest of it. Hope it'll work out fine. Let's just see what happens. Bruh. I see that guy still up in there. Bruh, I think that the bolt got caught up in there. Gonna have to extract that out. God damn it. Got a sweet bolt stuck up in there. We just drilled the bowl a little bit. Gonna heat that hoe up and then use this extractor. Get the bolt out, then re-tap and die it. Put the Helicoil in and hopefully it'll be good. All them yummy particles jumping out of there. Clean it up, boy. Clean it up. Alright, so cool. I got that bad boy up in there. And the boat's coming right up. Oh, shit. Yeah, the boat's coming. God damn it. The boat's coming out. So that's good. I'm gonna just jump it in there and then. Almost got it out. Almost. Oh, ho, ho. Would you look at that? Perfectly clean threads, too. Now let's see what it looks like up in there. Oh, wow. Yeah, that hole's a lot deeper. Pause. Let me get my phone flashlight. Wow. We're gonna have to throw that whole thing out. Probably heat it up again to try and like clean it out. Ugh. I'll probably just go in there with mine. Yeah, I'll probably just go in there and just drill it all out again. And then rethread it and put like 2 of these guys in there. And then, boom, we're cooking. So boom, we got our sweet Helicoil in there, Helicoil. Fix a thread. Alright, cool. We got it in there, but I couldn't like chip off that end piece. I mean, there's a shit ton of extra thread in there, so whatever. It'll work. So now, we just have to throw this deal back together. I probably need a bigger bolt in there, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, I guess now I'm just struggling with this bolt.
Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Why'd you cut it?
No. Go ahead.
Oh yeah. What's up, vlog? It's your boy Jim or Fox. Make sure to follow me so you can see me got this little Civic right here.
All right. Don't cap.
I'm not capping, little bro.
Don't
Are you
cap.
torching that thing?
Huh?
Are you torching it still?
No.
Good boy, good boy.
Nah, she good. She doing me good. Nah, there was an old head there that walked by. He was like, "Oh, you gonna get this thing running one day?" I was like, "What?"
Yep. Friday is never.
You know what? I guess I'm not. I guess I don't have a running car.
Nope, it don't run. And apparently you fiddle leftovers, supposedly.
Okay. Let's not cap here. We don't have to cap.
Like at the Christmas party, this guy just was like, "Hey, what car do you drive?" And the guy's like, "Oh, Honda Accord, whatever." And like just had like he knew I was there, so his ass was like, "Oh yeah, those are reliable cars. You know, they don't break down. They'll last you forever." Good boy, yes sir. Those cars don't break down.
Good
They
boy.
don't.
Good boy.
Unless it's an HK Civic, then I guess that thing was a C's. But you know.
What did you say?
B16? Anything else?
Did you just say?
Oil pump?
Did you just say my B16? Don't talk shit about my B16.
Well, your thing won't see is it's got a 10 oil pump, right?
Exactly.
Sweet, tight man. You're gonna be straight chilling. Hey, you know, what if I come over and the Fox and dip right now in front of the Civic?
The Civic will laugh.
Yeah, so, you know, throw some rubber off your engine bay, you know?
What? No, don't do that.
I'm in the sweet Accord.
Oh, your sweet K24, right?
I love my K24. K24 the world.
That's what
I love it so much, I'm gonna put it in the Fox box. I want that K24 box.
Finally.
What? Finally.
About time. About time you make a good decision with that car.
You know, honestly, I might have to do K24 for the front wheels, and then the 302 V8 for the rear.
You know, that's probably the smartest thing I've ever heard. But I think it would be a little bit better if you just had two K series in it.
Oh, okay, that's where you're wrong. What about the torque?
What about the torque? K series.
Hell no, those things have no torque.
They're the torque.
She's like, oh, our 2.4 have way more torque than your V8. Dang, I don't know what planet you live on, but you know, my V8 makes all the torque.
Well, it's saying for it being a 4-cylinder, it makes a lot of torque.
Yeah, I mean, I'll give you that, but it won't make as much as my 5.0.
I mean, but for you almost getting gapped by a 4-cylinder is kind of crazy.
No. Well, actually, dude, my car is faster than it was before. As soon as I put the right fuel pump in there, bro, my fuel pressure has gone up way more. And, like, my car's actually, like, it's getting the gas it needs, bro. I think even my gas mileage got better, too. Because I had the fuel pump from the 4-cylinder in there because they were all right. So it's the same one compared to the 5.0 fuel pump.
Call this guy the gas eater. You just eat gas.
Well, let's do it. I got a few texts later.
You got a fuel tech? Later. I think I don't think the thing's going nowhere, but I do want to put spacers in there because it just keeps pushing up on this part. But hey, I mean, shit, that's pretty good. I think that's a lot better than what I had before. So I'm just gonna put the belt on and then see what she does. This fucking guy. Oh no. Watch my belt doing that. Oh no. A little bit. Some marble? Marble, oh. Oh yeah, buddy. Fucking guy. I don't know why the belt is doing that. I don't know why. I mean, like, maybe I need to tighten up a little bit more. But I mean, it seems fine. I just don't like having a squeaky belt. I'm not trying to be a typical Honda. Nice and tight belt now. I know you're gonna have a little bit of slack, but ain't trying to be doing too much. So I guess we'll be good at that. Cool.